Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Albany and I'm going on a walk with my friend. Did you hear stuff in the background? That's either my friend talking or the thunder because we have a severe warning, but we're going to get the mail. We don't really care if it's a severe warning. We're going to be talking about the video, the trampoline video, why we're so bad at it. So they were like being really mean to us. They're like, and that's funny. They're come on. It just shows the dog singer. It's fine, no one cares. Hi. Hello. So like, his Carter and Olivia's little brother, he was jumping on us and like it was hard for me to breathe because like it really hurt.
But it's like, since he's like a little bit younger,
it didn't really matter.
It doesn't really hurt that much. It just kind of.
It hurt like, he was just jumping on us. Yeah. They were being mean to us. Like they were like, get off our trampoline, and they were also, the little brother was hitting us.
Yeah.
That does not really matter.
And we're just gonna go.
But it was really lightly, so it didn't really matter.
We have no mailboxes. We have to walk. And yes, that was me. Good thing we didn't go on the sidewalk. We don't really want to get to dirt today.
But we're almost right. We're gonna get some rain. It's not thunderstorm. So some of our videos are really boring because like it's not funny. We don't want to like really show our faces. No. And we're walking outside right now in a very severe thunderstorm. And there's a house. There's a couple houses over there.
And there's a kid riding a bike with no hands.
Could you not show?
Yeah.
Which one are you? Over here at the thing.
Okay, nice. I want to go. Is this the right one?
Yes, it is. 8. Here, hold the thing. I think you're putting it in the wrong way.
There we go, guys.
See, I told you.
I haven't checked the mail for a few days.
You have nothing.
I got nothing.
Here you go.
Well, my mom must have picked it up.
Oh my God, that's a bee. It's okay. Let's walk across the sidewalk.
It's fine.
They're building.
Walk around the,
They're building a new
They
house.
could walk around the neighborhood.
Do you want to?
Kind of. It'd be cool.
Look at the sky, guys, and look at the trees. And oh my God, I saw that lightning, girl.
Girl.
So let's just take a little walk around the neighborhood.
We're not gonna go all the way around, and I felt the raindrop.
Oh,
I
yeah?
got proof. There's a proof right there. You can't really see on camera, but Albany can see.
Yeah, it's a proof. It's a raindrop. Wait, is there one right here? No. It's probably like a little raindrop. And if it starts pouring, oh God, these iPads are done. I mean, these cameras, sorry.
Wait, there's. And I felt another raindrop here.
Oh wait, yeah, I did too. Oh my God, I felt another one that was on my eyebrow. Look at it. You can't even see on the ground. Oh, there's one on my iPad. There's one on my camera.
Okay, we have to run through this.
Don't get your device wet. Oh yeah, it's starting to go. It's starting to go. It's starting to go. It's starting to. Oh my God! It's starting to come down. It's starting to come down.
Hey guys.
Let's just keep on walking until it's like pouring.
Keep walking until it's pouring. It's pouring. It's pouring.
We're having a really fun time. They're building another new house next to our friend's house. They're next to our neighbor's house. That's really nice.
Okay.
Oh, this is the wrong house. That's the house. Oh God, it's coming down. Not really, not that much. Look at that. It's coming down, boy. And no, it's not actually, but like, oh my god, get away, you stupid bug. Sorry. Ooh, fell one of my things. You're okay. Well, they weren't barking at you, kid. Huh? They weren't barking at you. So we're walking on the wet sidewalk because there's no raindrops over here. Oh my god, I felt one in my hand. Oh, one on my shoulder.
So technically, I was going for.
Oh my god. What do you want to talk about? Like, you should go check out Sky's World channel. Her channel Sky's World, uppercase S. And our profile picture is like a bunny.
And guys,
Like a
you should
cartoon
check
bunny.
You guys should check out Elbo's World. It's like her profile pic is like it's like a cow birthday cake.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it was my
she
birthday
had
cake.
she had a cow birthday.
Okay, let's go across the street.
Yeah, because we don't. There's a sprinkler right there.
Who? Sprinklers? Yeah. Going across the road now. They're doing a lot of construction over here.
Yeah, you guys
Hmm.
Have you been giving parents information?
I don't think so.
I said that. I showed that construction house over there.
That's fine.
I kind of showed those houses over there. Like
I did a little
right
bit too. That's fine. And next time you want to show the sky, just go like this. Cover your screen and then go back up. Okay. Look at there's a bird.
there.
He's running down the street. You see him, guys?
Oh yeah, guys.
It's a wild running bird. Do not run after it, Skylar. It's gonna get scared. Oh no, I saw your Skylar. Sky. Oh God, there's a truck. Come on. Oh, there's two cars. Wait, is that Nikki?
Oh my God!
No, it isn't. Skylar, no, that isn't. No, it wasn't. See? Come back over here. So, yeah, they're... Oh, it's coming down now. You can see there's a lot of wet marks on the... That's just a spray paint mark. There's a lot of spray paint marks.
Did you get my face in it?
No, I didn't. I just got your rest of your back body.
Oh, you can see my identity. You can see I have blonde hair.
Oh God, there's another car.
It's not my mom.
Okay, wait. Do you want to go walk in the construction zone?
We can't. My mom said. I know. It's really creepy over there.
Darn it.
You should probably walk down that dirt road, though.
What dirt road? That one back here? Sure.
That's not part of the construction.
Oh God. They might have been able to saw your face real fast, but that's okay. I needed to
Yeah.
wipe off my screen.
Oh wait, I'm gonna try to cover my screen a little bit because it's raining.
Yeah, it is raining a lot.
It's not a lot.
Well, it's just sprinkling
A
right
bit.
now. Just a bit. Just a
You
bit.
can probably see.
The raindrops on the ground.
And I have one on the back of. Hey, Paul.
I know. They keep on just dropping. And it's
I
not
want
the
to know
sprinkler.
what time is.
It's not the sprinklers.
Does
Trust
anybody
me.
know what time it is?
I don't know, but I've been recording for 8 minutes.
I've been recording for 9.
Nice. About to be 9 seconds. Mine's only at 5. Yeah.
I thought it was at like 15.
Yeah, and then it changed to 5. It was at
What?
10, and then it went down to 5. Jeez. Okay, so what is
that's
that?
kind of what the dirt road looks like. So we're gonna have to go open soon because we're gonna run back to the house.
No, we're gonna hang out outside.
It's really gonna sprinkling a lot.
So we're gonna end this video. Make sure you go go
Check out
Sky's World. And we've been doing the same videos because like we have no other things. But make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Bye.
I'm gonna